Good day, sir, madam. My name is Jovelyn Alunday Sunyo. I was born on November 12, 1980. I am 42 years of age. I live in Pinokpok Junction, Kalinga Province, Philippines. I am married. I have one son, aged 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management and Cooperative. I worked in Saudi Arabia as a housemaid for 3 years and 4 months. I served one couple, 5 children, ages 16, 15, 14, and newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities as a housemaid are cooking, cleaning, laundry, tutoring, and car washing. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to do all tasks and duties and responsibilities as your housemaid. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.